Your towels may smell clean right now, fresh out of the washing machine, soft to the touch, maybe even covered in the scent of detergent or fabric softener. But the moment water touches them again, that sour smell suddenly returns. Slightly musty, damp, almost impossible to ignore. And according to Japanese laundry experts, that odor is not coming from the towel itself. It is coming from what is still living inside the fibers. Most people assume towels smell bad because they were not washed properly. In reality, the problem usually begins after the washing cycle ends. Thick cotton fibers trap moisture deep inside the fabric, creating a warm environment where bacteria and mildew can continue multiplying for hours after the towel feels dry on the surface. Over time, body oils, detergent residue, and dead skin cells become trapped inside the fibers as well, feeding odor-causing microbes every time the towel becomes wet again. And the worst part is that some of the most common laundry habits people use to make towels smell fresher are actually making the problem much worse without realizing it. In Japan, towels deal with one problem many other countries struggle less with: humidity. During the rainy season, moisture levels can become so intense that clothes and fabrics sometimes take an entire day to dry properly indoors. Yet despite this, heavily perfumed towels are surprisingly uncommon in many Japanese households. Instead of trying to hide odors with fragrance, the focus is placed on preventing the smell from developing in the first place. Walk through the laundry section of a Japanese home store, and you will notice something interesting. Many products are designed around airflow, moisture control, and antibacterial drying rather than strong perfume scents. In Japanese cleaning culture, a towel that smells strongly of fragrance is not always considered truly clean. If odor keeps returning once the towel becomes damp again, that usually means bacteria are still trapped inside the fibers. That is why Japanese laundry habits focus heavily on drying speed, proper spacing, and residue removal instead of simply adding more detergent or fabric softener. But there is one specific mistake many people make during the washing process that silently traps odor-causing bacteria deep inside towels, even after they come out looking perfectly clean. Most people think towel odors come from sweat or from not washing towels often enough. But the real cause is much more microscopic. Every time you dry your body, tiny amounts of skin cells, body oils, and moisture become trapped deep inside the towel fibers. At first, this buildup is harmless, but once towels remain damp for too long, bacteria begin feeding on those organic particles and multiplying rapidly inside the fabric. The smell itself is not the towel. It is the waste produced by bacteria living inside it. And unlike smooth fabrics, towels are designed with thick loops and dense cotton fibers that hold moisture extremely well. That is what makes them soft and absorbent, but it also creates the perfect environment for odor-producing microbes to survive even after washing. In some cases, towels that appear completely clean can still contain layers of detergent residue, fabric softener buildup, and trapped oils coating the fibers from the inside. This is where many people unknowingly make the problem worse. Excess detergent may create more foam and fragrance, but it can also leave behind a thin residue that traps bacteria and prevents towels from drying properly. Fabric softener creates another issue by coating fibers with a wax-like layer that reduces airflow and locks moisture inside even longer. And once bacteria become embedded deep within the fibers, ordinary washing cycles often fail to remove them completely. That is why some towels smell normal while dry, but immediately release a sour odor the moment they become wet again. When towels start developing a sour smell, most people assume the solution is simple. Use more detergent, stronger fragrance boosters, or extra fabric softener. But according to Japanese laundry specialists, these are often the exact habits making the odor worse over time. One of the biggest mistakes is using too much detergent. Modern detergents are highly concentrated, and excess soap does not always rinse out completely during a normal wash cycle. Instead, a thin layer of residue remains trapped inside the towel fibers, collecting moisture and feeding bacteria every time the towel becomes damp again. Fabric softener creates another hidden problem. While it makes towels feel softer initially, many softeners coat the fibers with a wax-like film that reduces absorbency and slows drying speed. In Japanese laundry culture, fast drying is considered one of the most important defenses against odor-causing bacteria. Another common mistake is leaving damp towels folded, hanging too close together, or sitting inside washing machines for hours after a cycle ends. In warm, humid environments, bacteria can begin multiplying surprisingly quickly inside trapped moisture. And the longer those habits continue, the deeper odor-producing bacteria become embedded inside the towel itself, making ordinary washing almost impossible to fully fix. So what is the Japanese method that removes towel odors without relying on heavy perfumes or harsh chemicals? Surprisingly, it begins by doing less, not more. Instead of overwhelming towels with detergent and fragrance, the goal is to completely remove the bacteria, residue, and trapped moisture feeding the smell in the first place. The process starts with hot water and a small amount of plain white vinegar. In many Japanese households, vinegar is used because its mild acidity helps break down detergent residue, body oils, and bacterial buildup trapped deep inside towel fibers. Unlike perfume sprays that only mask odors temporarily, vinegar helps neutralize the compounds causing the smell itself. But the real secret is what happens after washing. Japanese laundry habits focus heavily on airflow and rapid drying. Towels are spaced apart carefully, hung in areas with strong ventilation, and dried as quickly as possible to prevent moisture from lingering inside the fabric. Because once bacteria lose the damp environment they depend on to survive, the odor cycle finally begins to break. And for many towels, the difference becomes noticeable after just a single proper cleaning and drying cycle. The first step is separating heavily used towels from lightly used ones. In many Japanese homes, towels used after showers, gyms, or humid environments are washed separately to prevent bacteria and moisture from spreading through an entire load. Once separated, place the towels into hot water warm enough to dissolve residue, but not so hot that it damages the fibers. Next, add a small amount of detergent along with plain white vinegar. The vinegar helps break down trapped oils, detergent buildup, and odor-producing bacteria hidden deep inside the fabric loops. Unlike fragrance boosters, this process focuses on removing the source of the smell itself, instead of simply covering it. After washing, avoid leaving towels inside the machine. Even a short delay can allow moisture and bacteria to begin building again. In Japanese laundry culture, drying speed is treated almost as importantly as washing. Towels are hung with space between them, so air can circulate through every layer of fabric evenly. Whenever possible, towels are dried near sunlight or strong airflow because moving air removes moisture far more efficiently than thick indoor humidity. And once the fibers are fully dry without trapped residue inside, the towel begins feeling lighter, softer, and noticeably fresher each time it becomes wet again. The reason this Japanese towel method works so effectively comes down to chemistry, airflow, and moisture control. Most towel odors are caused by bacteria feeding on body oils, dead skin cells, and detergent residue trapped deep inside the fibers. As those bacteria grow, they release microscopic waste compounds that produce the sour smell many people notice the moment towels become wet again. White vinegar works because it contains acetic acid, a mild acid capable of dissolving alkaline detergent residue and breaking down the oily buildup bacteria depend on to survive. Unlike heavily perfumed laundry products, vinegar does not cover the smell. It helps remove the environment causing the odor in the first place. But the real key is drying speed. Bacteria thrive in warm, damp environments with poor airflow. Thick towels naturally trap moisture deep within their fibers, especially when folded, overcrowded, or left indoors without ventilation. Japanese laundry routines focus heavily on spacing and airflow because moving air removes trapped moisture before bacteria have time to multiply again. And once residue, moisture, and bacterial buildup are removed together, the towel fibers return much closer to their original condition. That is why towels cleaned using this method often feel softer, lighter, and fresher without needing heavy perfume or chemical fragrances at all. Behind these laundry habits is a much deeper philosophy that shapes how many Japanese households approach cleanliness overall. In Japan, cleaning is often viewed less as a reaction to dirt and more as a form of daily maintenance designed to prevent problems before they begin. Instead of waiting for towels to develop strong odors, small habits are repeated consistently to stop moisture and bacteria from building up in the first place. This mindset is closely connected to the Japanese concept of mottainai, a feeling of regret over waste. Allowing towels to become permanently damaged by bacteria, mildew, or heavy chemical buildup is seen as avoidable waste caused by neglect rather than normal wear. That is why many Japanese laundry routines prioritize fabric care, airflow, and simplicity over powerful fragrance products or aggressive washing methods. Even the way towels are dried reflects this philosophy. Towels are often hung with careful spacing, exposed to moving air whenever possible, and folded only after they are completely dry. The goal is not simply to make towels smell pleasant for a few hours. It is to preserve the fabric itself for years, while maintaining a level of cleanliness that feels natural rather than artificial. And in many ways, that may be the biggest difference between the Japanese approach and most modern laundry habits. The focus is not on masking problems after they appear. It is on preventing them quietly through small, consistent routines every single day. A towel that smells bad may seem like a small inconvenience at first, but over time, the hidden consequences can become surprisingly expensive. Towels filled with trapped bacteria and detergent residue often wear out much faster because the fibers remain under constant stress from moisture, oils, and repeated overwashing. Many people replace towels every year without realizing the odor problem itself is slowly damaging the fabric from the inside. There is also the hygiene issue. Damp towels containing bacterial buildup continue transferring moisture and microbes back onto your skin after every shower. In humid environments, this can contribute to skin irritation, body acne, and persistent mildew smells throughout bathrooms and laundry areas. And because the odor usually returns once the towel becomes wet again, many households end up rewashing towels repeatedly, increasing water, detergent, and electricity costs over time. Japanese laundry experts often emphasize that excessive fragrance products create another hidden expense. Strong perfumes may temporarily hide odors, but they rarely solve the underlying moisture and bacteria problem. In many cases, they only encourage people to keep using towels that are still contaminated underneath the scent. That is why the Japanese method focuses on restoring the towel fibers themselves instead of masking the smell. Once the source of the odor is removed properly, towels stay fresher longer, dry faster, and often last years longer than towels repeatedly exposed to heavy chemical buildup.